a sawtooth waveform to the right channel. Our circle, or ellipse, turns into a spiral. To get this spiral into the shape of a mushroom, we need to multiply our left channel with a sine wave of the same frequency as the sawtooth. But we're only gonna use the sine's last quarter. Of course we want our mushroom to move, just like in real life. That's why we now add another sawtooth, multiplied with a cosine wave of a slightly different frequency to our left channel. We can increase the number of mushrooms by dividing the cosine's frequency by 2, or even by 3. By randomly adding square waves, we get even more mushrooms. In fact, we can plant an entire field